So here we have the sleek socket. This is an outlet cover that has two extension cords. So one, in my case, I will be using it for my TV and other components which are above. So here it is. I removed the specs cable paper that had in the back. It's very simple. Just align it with your sockets. Pop it in. Now let's test to see if it does have power. Okay, let's test the other one. Something I did forget to mention is that they do come with 2 packs of adhesive 3M cable managing clips. All you have to do is pop your wire into this, peel it, stick it onto the wall, and it'll hold on to your wire for you. Of course, always remember to prep your wall, clean it up, make sure it doesn't have no oil residue or anything like that so it can stick well. And it does come with 5 and 5, 10 of those small ones and 2 of these curvy ones. It is very low profile, so basically is the size of my trim here. The extensions are 3 foot in length each, so yeah, very low profile. Great for behind TV stands or wherever you may need it.